Hey, it is Victoria. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. In today's video, I will be sharing with you all how to grow thicker eyebrows as well as lashes naturally at home. So stay tuned, it is coming up next. Alright, so the first product that I'm going to use to help in thickening my eyebrows and my eyelashes is going to be Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I get mine from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box below. But the reason this is so effective is because it's enriched with proteins, fatty acids, and antioxidants, as well as vitamins that helps in nourishing your hair. So basically what you want to do is take 2 tablespoons of this and pour it into a bowl. The next product that I like to use is coconut oil, and I like to pick mine up from Whole Foods. I like to get mine virgin and unrefined, but the reason I like coconut oil is because it works as a great conditioner as well as a moisturizer, and it's also great for improving blood circulation, so that's really important whenever you're trying to promote hair growth. And coconut oil itself also has various proteins and nutrients like vitamin E and iron, and they both promote healthy and thick eyebrows and lashes. So now what you want to do is take 2 tablespoons of this and add it to your bowl. Next up is aloe vera juice. If you guys are not new to my channel, you already know that I love aloe vera juice. I pretty much use it for everything. But the reason I'm using this for hair growth for your eyebrows and your lashes is because aloe juice contains alanine, which promotes hair growth. And basically you just want to pour in about a tablespoon of this into your concoction or your serum and mix it together. Just to note, this will keep in your refrigerator for about 7 days. It will solidify, but you can leave it out to melt for a while. And what you want to do is basically take a cotton swab and put it into your solution and put it directly onto your lash lines, being safe and sure not to get it into your eyes. And then you want to also put it on your eyebrows. Once you have it on your lashes and your eyebrows, you just want to massage it in gently. Repeat this daily and you're done. Now, if you're in a rush, I wanted to share this with you guys. This is a product by Pureauty Naturals, and it also works very well with growing thicker and longer lashes and eyebrows. Once I butchered my eyebrows, and I really had to get them back very quickly, so I used this. It only took about 2 weeks before I saw a difference. It looks like this. Basically, what you do is the same thing. You would just apply it to your lash line like so, and also apply it to your eyebrows and massage it in. And you want to do this on a nightly basis. I will leave a link in the description box for this product. I absolutely love it. It's super inexpensive and it really works. And there you have it, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed my video today. I will leave all of the links for the products that I use today in the description box below. Also, if you are interested in do-it-yourself hacks, I have a new ebook for all things feminine hygiene, and I will also leave that in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.